My YouTube channel was flat. I hadn't posted in weeks and my views had plummeted. Then I created a brand new Pinterest account, started pinning once a day, and 24 days later, my views are up and my Amazon store is getting clicks. And I'm not the only one. My student Robert, in a completely different niche, is getting very similar results. So if you're stuck not getting traffic to your links, this might just be what gets you unstuck. Let me take you behind the scenes and show you proof of all this. Okay, so I created my Pinterest account 24 days ago, brand new account, and here are my stats. Look at this. I published my very first pin on the 12th of October. I now have 3,170 impressions, 184 engagements, 64 outbound clicks, 17 saves, 774 total audience and 66 engaged. And on YouTube, where I did not post a single new video until 2 days ago, I have more views than in the previous 28 days, and I'm getting more impressions, which means that YouTube, seeing this new activity, is beginning to push my content more. Now, one of the pins that is getting the most clicks is my easy and gluten-free brownies. So as you can see, we are seeing a sharp uprise in views because it's getting traffic from Pinterest. As we can see here, if we click on the reach, you can see that a significant part of my external site traffic is from Pinterest. If I look at the more advanced statistics, you can see this big blue spike here. These are all views from Pinterest. And now let's go to Amazon, a store where I was getting 0 clicks, 0 activity whatsoever. And now you can see that overall I have 15 clicks. So I'm getting clicks almost every day. And now before you think,
oh, well, she got no sales, so she completely failed.
Let me explain the maths. Now, the industry standard conversion is 1 to 3%, meaning that I need 100 clicks to see 1 to 3 sales. So with only 15 clicks, it's completely normal that I haven't got a sale yet. But it's only a matter of time. In fact, at this growth rate, I've calculated that the first sale is about 7 weeks from now. All I need to do is continue pinning, continue to get views on YouTube. That will send clicks to my Amazon store, and when I have enough clicks, I will make a sale. The really interesting and exciting thing is to see Pinterest show up in my analytics. Videos that were just sitting there dead, getting no views, are now getting discovered. Those 2 green arrows, the views and impressions going up, that is YouTube telling me I'm doing something right.
62 more views and 40% more impressions.
When I haven't published a single video, is quite significant, believe me. And listen, this isn't just working for me. Listen to what Robert has to say.
Good to see that, I'm getting traffic to my squeeze page on the blog. And then there's a few of the other blog posts that are getting attention as well.
Robert has just reached 1.9k impressions. He is in the make money online niche, which is virtually inexistent on Pinterest, and he took an entire week off. But he's getting a significant increase in traffic to his website. This just goes to show it isn't luck. It's a proven system, a proven traffic source that really works. So here's what this 30-day Pinterest traffic challenge has taught me. Most struggling affiliates are struggling because they're either on the wrong platform, doing the wrong things, or burning themselves out being on too many platforms. I see people trying to post reels 3 times a day, trying to go viral on TikTok, or posting a ton of shorts on YouTube, and they're getting nowhere. They're just getting burnt out and exhausted. But what if you could completely transform your traffic strategy with just putting in 15 minutes of work a day? You don't need to engage. You don't need to send DMs. You don't need to play the algorithm game or whatever that is. That is literally what Pinterest gives you. I spend 15 minutes a day. I keep it super simple. I publish 1 pin a day and I take the weekends off. Yes! And Over the last 24 days, my traffic has grown effortlessly while I sleep, while I get on with my life. This is truly an evergreen asset. These pins are going to work for me for weeks, months, 6 months, maybe years to come. This is the kind
of evergreen system
that I absolutely love, and it's the solution for people who, like me and like you, I'm sure, are too busy living their lives to be living on social media, desperately trying to attract clicks and sell product. Now, has Pinterest made me a millionaire? Have these 30 days got me to the mythical 10K a month income? No, not yet. Has my YouTube channel completely exploded? No, not yet. But here's what's happening. My YouTube channel is growing without me having published any new videos, which is amazing. My content is being discovered, and all this is going to compound. If you have the right traffic source, you implement and do the work smart, then you see results fast, as I've just proven in this 30-day challenge. So if you stuck with traffic right now, if you're publishing content that nobody sees, if you're publishing links that no one ever clicks on, this might just be your answer. We've come to the end of this live challenge. However, I'm going to keep a small group going. This is exciting. We're going to continue meeting once a month to record our progress and share our wins. And you can be part of this. There's a link to this Pinterest course and this 30-day challenge in the description of this video. You can click, you can sign up, you can go through this, and I will personally invite you to join this live group. As a new viewer and subscriber to my list, you're even going to get this at a discount. Just because I feel like celebrating these massive wins that I've had with this Pinterest strategy. Whatever you do, if this strategy inspires you, get started. Start pinning, stay consistent, and you will see results. Because if it worked for me and it worked for Robert, then it's going to work for you. There's no reason why it wouldn't. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all, and if you want to support this channel. The free and easy way you can do this is by hitting the subscribe button. This helps a lot more than you will ever know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.